Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3 chapter it's 19 our government. So we are talking about the central government, that how central government help us and from which things they protect us. So first of all, the central government is based in the capital New Delhi. It looks after the whole entire country. In fact, it took cares of the things which are very important for the whole country, like first of all, protecting the country from foreign attacks, then building railway and important roads, deciding how the nation's money should be spent for its benefit, etc. In fact, they look after the railways and the important roads, and in fact they just deciding that how the national money, how the money should can be spent for its benefits, for the India's benefits, and for the people of that country. The president, the prime minister, and the other minister are important people in the central government. So these all are the important government who just sit in the New Delhi house, like a parliament house, and then after they take the decisions, they make the law, and then they follow to the country of the people. So the president, the prime minister, and the other minister, these are the more important people in central government. As you know, India is a very large country. It is not possible for all the central government to solve every problem and look after all the needs of the people by itself. So we know that India is very big country and it's very large country. So not for only one central government that they can solve all the citizen problem and all the state problem and each and every person problem. So for that they need someone they need someone so that they can solve all the problems of all the citizens, and they look after all the needs of the people by itself. So because it's very big, so that's why the central government so that the India has 29 states and 7 union territories. Each state has its own government. The state government, which is based in the state of capital, and the government and the chief minister are important people in the state government. So if we know that India has 29 states and 7 union territories, so each of these states and union territories, they has its own government, like the state government. State government, this is based in the capital of the state. The government and the chief minister are the important people in the central government. Just like in the central government, we have the president, prime minister, and another minister. Just like in the state government, we have the governor and the chief minister are the most important people in the state government. Next page. The state government look after things which are important to the people of the state: education, law and order, transport, etc. So the state government is what? It looks after all the things which are important to the people of that state, like in the education, in law, in order, and in transport, etc. The union territory are ruled directly by the central government. So there are 7 union territories. It directly controlled and indirectly ruled by the central government, not any state government. So please keep in your mind that union territory always ruled directly by the central government. Next, the local self-government. Local self-government refers to the smaller government bodies which look after the needs of cities, towns and villages. So local self-government, it means that we are talking about the smaller government which look after the needs of the cities, towns and villages. They look the basic needs of the people, like drinking water, cleanliness, schools, roads, etc. So the local self government, they look after the basic needs of the people of that is town and villages, like the drinking water, about the cleanliness, schools, roads, and etc. Next is our courts. Court is also very important. Like if someone is breaking the rules, so that they can punished in rules in that court. So that the court is also very important. Now, an important part of the government works is to make sure that laws are followed. Exactly. The important government work is what? They have to look that they have to make sure that laws are followed by each citizen of the people and of the country, citizen of the country. People who break laws have to be punished. This work is done by the court. So the people who do not follow the rules of the government, who just break the rules, and they have to be punished. So this work is done by in the courts. Now the Supreme Court is the highest court in India. So in India, in our country, the Supreme Court is what? It is the highest court in India. It's no need to underline. Here is box is there: Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Nyaya Panchayat. These all four you can learn it. It's important. So the Supreme Court is what? It is the highest court in India, and it is located in New Delhi. Supreme Court, it is located in New Delhi. Apart from these, there are high courts at the state level and the district courts in the towns and cities. So apart from the Supreme Court, we have two more high courts is there, like the high courts. It is in a state level, like in Bihar, in Patna, in like Mumbai, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. So like in state level, we have a high court. So if any like high court is there, then if no like someone is not punished in that high court, then they have to apply some rules in the Supreme Court so that they can get punishment. So high court is what? It is the state level. District court is in the towns and cities, and villages also have courts called Nyaya Panchayat. Villages is also have courts which is called Nyaya Panchayat. Panchayat is there, 4 or 5 people are there sitting together, and they make the rules and they just punish the people who just break the law and should not follow the rules. Thus, the government is very important part of our lives. Exactly. Apart from this, the government is what? It is very important part of our lives. It gives us essential services which we need to live a healthy and safe life. In fact, the government gives us a very essential good services which we need in live our healthy and safe life. It makes sure that people follow the laws and do not harm others. It helps us in times of need. So we should always make sure that people, they should follow the rules and do not harm the others. So it helps us. In fact, the government helps us in the time when we need. So yeah, your chapter is completed. I hope you guys have understood the chapter about the government. Now again I will back teach you the New Delhi new chapter. Before that, please in your quality time read the books, write down the new words, and I will give you the chapter like question answer, or maybe I will give you the objective types, so that on our question answer I will give you, so that please take write down, and please write down the homework. I will give you the 6th chapter new words, so that you can write down it in your fair copy. Please go through the website and check your homework. Till that, take care of yourself, read the chapter and complete your all homework on time. Again I will back to teach you the next chapter. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.